Hey Shopsmith owners, my name is James Hopp with Authorized Shopsmith Repair. Within the last 6 months, we have received various repair requests involving the main drive belt inside conventional Shopsmith headstocks, which are causing significant damage within the machine. Somewhere along the line, Shopsmith changed suppliers for their belts to a supplier called Bestro Q, and these new belts are failing. One particularly unlucky customer had their belt shred to pieces, and these pieces lodged themselves into almost every internal part. This customer needed a full overhaul. The issue here is that the belts tend to be a little sticky or tacky, and when they rub against the sheaths, they generate heat, which causes the belt to shred prematurely. Not all of them are as tacky as others, but in some cases, especially with high usage, these belts have a tendency to fail. We are strongly recommending that to all conventional headstock owners with Bestro Q belts, main drive belt and poly V belt, to replace them with new versions. For the main drive belt, search online or auto parts stores for part 4L260. We also have some Kevlar wrapped ones in stock we can sell to you if you like. We have provided a link in the description to buy both the poly V and main drive belts together if you need both. We are committed to helping the Shopsmith owners community with all issues we find in our repair shop every day. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay informed on Authorized Shopsmith Repair. See you next time.